And we're back to CapCut, once more a blur video, but this time we're going to take care of a moving area. I haven't covered that yet. And what we want to get rid of is the license plate here, or we want to blur it in the video, but you can see the car moves, therefore the license plate also moves. We don't need the rest of this clip, so let me use the split tool. I split it here. I use the select tool, select and press the V key. So now we want to take care of this shorter clip. Yet again, to add the blur, Ctrl C, Ctrl V to copy this. We later on need a mask, but first we use effects, video effects. Under lens, you will find a free blur that's inbuilt. Drag and drop it on the first clip. You can see the entire clip is blurred. Deselect, select again. Now you can use a mask. In this case, a rectangle should be fine. And now resize it and reposition it so that it fits the position of the license plate in the first frame. We now have two options. We could, for example, make this way bigger so that it covers the license plate in every frame. But this would also blur parts of the video where the license plate isn't shown at certain frames. So for the most part, you don't want to have that. Therefore, we'll have to animate the position. To do that, select this clip yet again, not the blur, the clip. Then we'll switch back to video mask, and here you can see the position. Right next to it, there is this diamond icon, which indicates a keyframe. And when you left click on it, it will automatically start an animation. And now I'll use the arrow keys to the right to move on in the video clip, and then I'll reposition with a left click drag this mask, which is our blur. And this is what I have to continue doing, so always use the arrow keys to the right, like 5 times maybe, then reposition it, continue 5 times to the right, reposition it, and so forth, until you've got it covered for the entire duration. And this should be fine. Let us roll the clip. You can see all of these keyframes are indicated in the timeline on our clip. And if I play it, this blur effect now moves with the license plate. You may have to check here and there. For example, you can see the last number 2 for a split second at this position. So you may have to go over this here and there in detail a little bit more. But this is how you can blur moving areas in videos using CapCut. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.